Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol REXX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several days worth of time right there, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. But definitely some updates here need to be made. And first thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning and just go ahead and get rid of that line down there. Yes, it still pertains to the chart, but in the spirit from a presentation standpoint of not wanting to have 5 million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion, just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. First update though comes from just a basic foundational principle in charting, and that states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch yesterday's video and hopefully remember me talking about 42 cents as resistance, now that the price is broken above it, you want to see it act as support. And actually that's already happened once. So a great real life example of how charts work. Again, price gapped up above it, so you'd want to see it act as support, and then the price pulled back, and oh, what a coincidence, right where it decided to bounce and then start to level off. So 42 cents is definitely that ideal level of support, meaning Clay, what would make this chart look the strongest going forward? If it can hold up above 42 cents, that would definitely be the top priority, best case scenario. But if the price doesn't hold above it, I'm not saying that everything's ruined because there are still plenty of areas of support below it. Next key level would be down there at that pink line, which I also talked about in yesterday's video, that being the 200 period simple moving average. And now you have that the little brother right here, the purple line, the 50 period simple moving average sloping upwards. So the point here being there's still lots of other areas of support, even if 42 cents doesn't quite hold. Now in regards to levels of resistance, more so just confirmation than anything, and that's right here at the 46 cent area. Temporarily was broken, but the price could not maintain it, and you can see once the price fell back below it, then it went back to right acting as resistance. You can see acted as resistance right there, and then in that final 30 minutes acted as resistance. But the good news is, assuming the price closes right there, it's not like the price has to travel any distance in order to do battle with it on Friday. Remember, the markets are closed tomorrow because the price essentially closed right at it. So right there, big showdown coming up. It looks like Friday at the opening bell. If the price can push through there, then yeah, next key one, not essentially until really the party stopped today, which was up there at 53 cents. So another nice day. The bulls continue to build higher bases, and within the grand scheme of things, that's what it's all about. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a great Thanksgiving.